basement video. This is the addition of the home, therefore has a newer foundation. Nice and straight walls. There's where the old basement used to be. The floor is broken up in here a bit, and then there's also the junction box. Here's the old part of the basement, lower ceilings in here, furnace, and tankless water heater. See the foundation, pretty straight, but it is the old Cream City brick. And then back out to this part, to the stairs, and that's the basement.